how to print notes pages or other options for your PowerPoint slide presentation. You just go to, show you again here, File, Print, and then you have different options. Print all slides, print current slide, print full slides. So you can do notes pages, which gives you then all of the notes if you have any under the slides. You can also pick 6 slides on the pages, or 4, or 2, or 9. So 6 slides, and you can print one-sided or in grayscale, whatever you prefer. And then when you pick, you can either pick your printer or you can print to PDF, which gives you a PDF version if you need to send something like that to to the location that you're speaking. So we'll print to PDF, and then it will save it wherever you want to save it. However you want to title that. And that's all you need to do for printing your slide deck for your notes and getting you ready to speak.